Good morning everyone. This is an environmental study class and I am going to teach today that is map. Okay. In previous classes the chapter was maps and direction, isn't it? After that we have read about some directions, some usage of compass, okay, and sketch, layout plan. Okay. Now we will start map, because the whole chapter is all about the map. The thing which we have read, it's the outer part of it. Okay, now what is map? I have made some drawing over here, and this is the map of Delhi. As in your book it's given map of Delhi. Okay, so this is a map of, I am writing here, map of Delhi. Okay. So what is map? A map is a diagrammatic representation of an area of land or sea showing its physical features, cities, roads, etc. Okay, now map is a random drawing. Map is a sketch, okay, to a exact area. In map you can see a exact location. What things you can do in a map? I am writing here. You can see the exact location of a place. Okay. Now whatever destination you want to go, you can find in a map. You can easily find the route. Route means the way of going somewhere. Okay. After that you can easily find the sea, rivers, okay, of that area, mountain ranges, sea, river, mountain ranges, isn't it? In the map you can easily point out these things. Now it's a diagrammatic representation. Diagrammatic means the whatever I have drawn here, this is the diagram, okay, and representation means when we see and when we represent, like when we are giving you to see that area, okay, what is the location over there, that is a diagrammatic representation of an area. Okay, now diagrammatic representation you have to understand. If I have written here North Campus, now this is the area is representing North Campus. Okay, it is showing North Campus. After that come to Rohini. Rohini is the name of a place in Delhi. Okay, so it is representing Rohini. This is Sipi, Connaught Place. It's a main area of a Delhi. Okay, Chandni Chowk. Okay, Rajouri Garden. This all are the places representing their own location. Okay, this is a diagrammatic representation, isn't it? After that, map can be of a country, city or a state drawn on a flat surface. Okay, now if I am taking here, take an example. This is a page. Okay, I am dividing it into 4 parts. As there is lack of space, that's why I am doing this. Okay, in this area I am drawing map of India. Okay, now it's the total location I am drawing in this part, India. In this I can draw a map of Maharashtra. Okay, in this I am drawing the area of West Bengal. In this I am drawing the area of Uttar Pradesh. So every map has its own location. In India we will see different cities, different boundaries related to the exact area. In Maharashtra only we see the area which is nearer or which is in the Maharashtra. In West Bengal we will only see the capital or the area of West Bengal, like a particular state. In Uttar Pradesh we will only see the place is situated in Uttar Pradesh, isn't it? So there is some relative, or you can say relevant maps written, or it is given in your book. Okay, so a map keys tell what a symbol on a map stand for. Now in every map there is some symbol given over there. Okay, I will show you some of the symbol. I am erasing this. Symbol means, if like this it is given in your the left side or the right side of your book, you can say in the map, then it symbolized river. Okay, and when you solve the political map, okay, in that if this type of zigzag line is given, it indicates river. Okay, there are some colors which indicates that if there is green color, I am using green over here. If that is green color, it means it indicating forest. Okay, it indicating what? Forest. If it is brown color, it indicating what? Mountain ranges. Okay, mountain ranges. If it is we can say blue color, it is indicating what? Rivers. Okay, so when we solve the political map now, in that you will draw by some pencils, so or some colors. So in left side or the right side, the bottom of your map, you have to indicate and symbolize the symbol, so that we can easily check it, isn't it? So this is a symbol. Now what is atlas? There is one question. What is atlas? Atlas means a book of map. In a one map we can't draw every state, every country. Okay, so because it's a whole very big world, so we can't draw it. So there is a map of book. In that you will find every single state having its own map, every single country having its own country's name, own states, etc., etc. Like if India is there, so in the map of India, in the map of India you will see the rivers, the mountain ranges, you can say the forest, the seas, the state, the boundaries, the neighboring countries, you can see in that particular map. But you can't see US, UN or any Australia. Okay, so in that map you only see in Indian map, Indian state, Indian boundaries, isn't it? So for every map there is if you want to see every map in a book, so it called atlas. It's a book of map. Okay, now we are moving to okay, with that we are completing the chapter, and we are going to read recap time. Recap time means the recap of the whole chapter. It is very beneficial, because when you forget to read your book, when you read the recap, you will ultimately have remembrance that we have read that chapter before. Okay, so the four directions are north, south, east, west. In the previous when I was starting the chapter, I told you there is directions divided, that is north, south, east, west. Okay, after that compass tells about a direction. Now who tells about the direction? The compass indicates the direction as well as the directions of others foresight. Other foresight was that now northwest, northeast, southwest, southeast. That was the others four direction. Its needles always point towards the north. Now its needle always point towards the north. It started from the point of north direction, isn't it? A rough drawing of a place is called sketch. Now a rough drawing of a place of any location is called a sketch. When we do a random drawing, it's called a sketch. After that, map is a drawing of a particular area. Now a map is a drawing of a particular area to represent that place. Okay, as I have written here, as I have drawn here, so this is a map of a particular, this is a random drawing of a particular place. Okay, with that we are moving to the practice time, that is filling the blanks. Okay, now what is the question here? I am erasing this, this is over. Okay, now the first thing is, I have forget to tell you, this you have seen now. This is not confusing, because this is a river, Yamuna river, that is situated in the bank of Delhi. Okay, that is every state is having their own river. In West Bengal it's Hooghly, in Bihar it's Ganga, in Delhi it's Yamuna river. So it's a river indicating this. Come to the exercise part, which is filling the blanks. This filling the blanks. Okay, the question is book of map is called dash. Okay, you have to fill the blanks. Now question number 1, a book of map is called dash. It's a blank, you have to fill it. Now what does we call a book of map? We called it atlas. Okay, ATLAS, atlas. Right now I teach you. Okay, after that the question of needle of compass always point towards I just told you na, needle of compass always points towards blanks. You have to fill that. It means north. Okay, always compass start its pointing, its needle is pointing towards north direction. Okay, you have to write north. One more answer is there. Sunset in the which direction? Sunsets in the west direction. Okay. With that we are completing this exercise. After that what is there I have to see. It's true or false. I am just saying like this. A compass indicates direction. It's true or false. True means correct, false means incorrect. Okay. So a compass is true, that compass indicate the direction. It will be true. Map is 3-dimensional model of earth. No, map is 2-dimensional model of earth. It will be, the answer will be false. So if there is given 3, it will be 2. That's why the answer will be wrong. Compass can be used anywhere. Yeah, it can be used anywhere. Then it will be true. A map shows detail of place. Yeah, it's correct. It shows the detail of place. It shows the location of that particular place. It will true. After that I am going to solve the questions and answers in the next video. Thank you.